Hey, good morning guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Canmore, Alberta. Dito ako nag-sleepover after driving 8 hours from Saskatchewan. Tapos yan, dito ako. Yan yung view natin. Very nice. Whew. Wow. Nature view in the morning. Tapos ito yung hotel natin. Ito yung murang hotel. Napakamurang hotel. Tour natin yung hotel natin. Yan, may mini kitchenette. My fridge. This is, this is my favorite drink in the morning. Buko juice. Yan, good. May microwave din. Minsan, yung mga ibang hotel, magandang hotel, walang microwave eh. So, mas maganda yung merong microwave. Yeah. Ito yung washroom natin. May jacuzzi tub. Yeah, it's not much there, but this room is really good for big families or two couples, you know. Tas mura pa yung price. Like, you can bring your two families here for $120 per night. Yan, may. I think this is a hide-a-bed. That's hide-a-bed. May fireplace tayo. Tapos, sa taas. Pakita tayo sa taas. Doon ako natulog. Yan, may Super King bed. It's pretty cool. It's kind of different place, man. It's nice to chill in the morning. You can see that. Woke up in the morning here and see your kids playing around there. There. Yeah. For like $120 per night. Bring your two families. It's really cheap. Okay? Yan. Tapos may view pa. Hindi ka magsasawang tumingin din sa view. Yan, gusto mo mag-snowboarding? Yan, gusto mo mag-snowboarding doon? Or ski? Or in summer, just look the view, man. Wow. Ooh. Yeah. Ito i-recommend ko sa mga kaibigan ko, mga tropa kong gustong mag-get away from Canmore, Alberta. Tapos marami sila. Yan, ito pwede itong pang tropa. Dining table pa. Okay? Chip in kayo, $20 per head per night. So 120, bali 5 kayo. So it's like $20 per night. Stay here for the whole week, man. It's like just pay $100. Hey? Yan. Ay, oh, this is my favorite spot here. Ito yung paa mo. Tapos, inom ka ng kape. Or something, buko juice in the morning. Wow. Eh? Ito yung tinatawag nila na Three Sisters. I don't know why is that, why they call it Three Sisters. That's the big mother. I don't know. That's the grandpa. The grandpa and the grandma. I don't know. I'm just kidding. But that three mountains there, they call it Three Sisters. Yeah. Alright guys. Gusto yung mag-get away? This room. Mura na. Yan. Always pag mag-travel kayo, dala kayo ng blanket. Yan, dala laging blanket. Winter boots blanket. In case stuck over. Stuck kayo sa highway. Yan, pwede kayo matulog sa highway. Okay? Alright. This is my first journey of the year 2022, so it seems good to me. I miss my family already, but I need to work. Okay? Mahal ng buhay sa Canada, di pwedeng patulog-tulog lang, so kailangan mong kumita. Okay? Alright. You guys keep safe and stay healthy. Happy New Year.